Every journey begins with a single step.
Singapore welcomes travelers with open arms.
The journey begins the moment we arrive.
In the winding streets of Chinatown.
Tradition and life unfold in every corner.
Every detail tells a story.
Here, colors and scents tell stories centuries in the making. Every corner is a feast for the senses.
A place where the past whispers to the present.
Among towering super trees.
Nature and imagination meet in harmony. A world within a city, alive and breathing.
The city's skyline reflects ambition and dreams.
Where glass and steel touch the sky. A symbol of ambition and endless possibility. Here, flavors speak louder than words.
A place where strangers become friends over meals.
Every bite tells the story of the city.
The shores of Sentosa offer calm.
A pause from the city's rhythm.
Moments here linger long in memory.
As night falls, the city glows differently.
Hidden corners reveal small wonders.
Every step uncovers a story.
By the river, moments linger.
The city and its visitors meet in quiet reflection.
Time slows here, even for a fleeting moment. Wandering Singapore is a journey of discovery.
Every street, every corner tells its own story.
And at the heart of it all, the city leaves its mark on the traveler's soul.